Hey shoppers, ready to heat up your summer with some sizzling deals? Because Aliexpress is rolling out its biggest event of the season, the Getaway Deals, happening from July 14th to July 21st. We're talking crazy discounts on thousands of products, from fashion and gadgets to home goods and beauty. But here's the real perk. At Jellyperks, we don't just tell you there's a sale. We give you the keys to unlock extra savings. And that's where the promo codes come in. Here's how to get them. Scroll down to the video description and click the link. You'll land on a page that looks just like this show screen, filled with exclusive promo codes, each with its own discount level. Browse through the codes and choose the one that fits your purchase. Click to copy the code. And during checkout on Aliexpress, just paste it into the promo code box, then hit apply. Boom, instant savings applied, just like that. Still with me? Here's a bonus tip. Some codes apply to specific product categories, while others are site-wide, so check the code details carefully before you buy. And hey, if you missed the link in the description, check the pinned comment below, we've added it there too. Because at Jellyperks, we don't want you to miss a thing. Whether you're stocking up for summer travel, upgrading your workspace, or just treating yourself, there's no better time to shop. But remember, these getaway deals only last 1 week, and some promo codes are limited in quantity. So don't wait too long, grab your discount while it's still hot. And if you want more weekly updates like this, don't forget to subscribe to Jellyperks, where saving money is always sweet.